Hey Sam, welcome. It's a pleasure having you here.
Thank you, Victor. I can't wait to meet the rest of your team so that we can have this meeting.
You're welcome to our midst, Samuel Benedict. These are my key leaders. Okay? They are very few, but they are very powerful. So they have questions to ask you. Okay? I have all the questions, and I am going to be asking you those questions one after the other. Okay? In case you all don't know him, this is the great Samuel Benedict, the brain behind the revolutionary cryptocurrency trading robot called Tafabot. So it's a pleasure having you in our midst, Samuel. Before Tafabot, there's been other robots, and even right now, there are still other robots. So tell us, what makes Tafabot unique?
Okay, thank you, Victor. What makes Tafabot unique is the whole idea behind the project, okay? So we looked at the cryptocurrency trading robot landscape and we found out that majority of these robots, if not all of them, are semi-automatic. You still have to do analysis, you still have to look at charts, you still have to go to trading views, you still have to do coin selection, you still have to determine for the robot whether the market is going long or short. I mean, what is the essence of trading with a robot when the robot cannot decide when to enter the market, which coin to trade, and which direction to trade in? It doesn't make any sense. Okay, people still spend time doing analysis. Many people are busy. Many people are simply not interested in learning crypto. They just want to make money. So we have been able to create a plug and play system, a truly 100% automated cryptocurrency trading robot that you just set it in motion and you wake up to profit on a daily basis. Majority of these other robots, they leave people in floating losses for several weeks to months and they are not making any money. Their money is trapped. They lose value in their money in form of floating loss. People are stuck in a trade for several weeks, several days, several months without earning a penny. Tafabot is the university of bots. Tafabot can do what every other crypto robot can do and even more. Okay? If you want to trade manually on Tafabot, you're welcome to do that. If you want to automate your trade, we are the specialists at that. Even in spot trading, we make money from Tafabot even when the market is going short. Okay? Other cryptocurrency trading robots, they only make money in spot when the market is going up. So we make money both long and short, even in spot on a daily basis. Okay? We don't have floating losses, keeping people's money stuck in a trade. Okay? If you now go for our futures, well, we have managed to minimize the risk in futures to the barest minimum. Our users enjoy profit on a daily basis, trading with Neuranet. So in conclusion, Tafabot can do what every other crypto robot can do, but no other crypto robot can do what Tafabot does. So we are head and shoulders above every other competitor in the cryptocurrency robot trading industry.
So, Mr. Benedict, my name is Angela. Why is everybody running to Tafabot? Tafabot seems to be trending right now. So tell us, why do you think every trader is running to Tafabot?
The general concept of trading robot, you find that there is, you see a lot of platform promising our trading robot does this, that, and promises SS 200% in a month. And there's also another school of thought that trading robots doesn't work. And I do agree with that school of thought that trading robot doesn't work. But automating your trade does work. Now, what Tafabot provides is a systematic way where you can automate your trade beyond just the concept of a magical algorithm to creating trade sequence that can execute over and over and over again without you manually doing anything. That is what Tafabot provides for you to automate your trades. And for that reason, a lot of users run to Tafabot. Right now, we're over 25,000 users automating their trade, creating a systematic trade that are running in split seconds, executing and taking profit. Now, this is what you cannot do on your own. This is why you need to automate your trade through tools like Tafabot.
Thank you, Mr. Sam. But could you share with us the trading strategy of this your world-class automated robot?
Amazing. In Tafabot, we provide different trading strategy from much more mechanical trading strategy, which is pretty really successful. And on Neuronet, which is our latest bot, we provide machine learning system that totally does all the work from you, from studying the market, knowing what to trade, market direction, when to trade, what capital to deploy on each market, pretty much everything. So you don't have to do literally nothing.
Mr. Sam, with this your amazing robot, how much have you made this week?
Interesting. This week, I've made more money than a banker would in a month. And it's very simple how I did it. Now, when I tell our persons that they need to get into trading, they're thinking about, I don't know how to do this. I don't know technical analysis. I don't know how to study this. Now, here is the truth. Are you ready for it? I have never taken a trade in the past years. I've never clicked the button to take a trade in the past years. So what I do is connect my Tafabot app, and it does its own analysis, determines what trade to take for me, when to take a profit, when to stop loss. And I just wake up every day and say, oh yes, I've made more money than a banker today. That's it. So simple.
So conclusively, Mr. Sam, the era of crypto analysis is gone. The era of spending endless hours speculating on the direction of coins is gone. The era of manual settings of robots is gone. Tafabot has come to introduce 100% automation plug and play into the industry, and this is absolutely mind-blowing. Do you have any final words?
The era of you trading with a cryptocurrency trading robot and your upline calling you up by 2 a.m. to go and shut down the bot that the market is dumping, that era is gone. Okay? This is the era of peace of mind. This is a cryptocurrency trading bot that does not disturb your quality time with your family and loved ones. It doesn't come in between you and your 9-to-5 job or business. This is peace of mind, okay? Just press start and this bot will be printing money for you non-stop.
Okay, so if you are tired of analyzing coins every day, if you are tired of attending technical Zoom meetings to decide the coin you are going to trade, if you are tired of wondering which direction the market will go, if you're tired of chasing your upline up and down to teach you technical analysis and fundamental analysis, look in the description of this video, register, and contact me for further guidance. A word is enough for the wise.
Listen guys, the goal of trading is not just to make money. The goal of trading is freedom. If you have to spend 24/7 on the screen watching the charts with high blood pressure, tensed on every market movement, then trading is not good for you. You'll probably get older than you should. This is not necessary. Let me show you a better way. Download Tafabot app, connect it to your exchange and let it do the magic while you're watching the screen and chilling.